$58,000. Delivered to your site. Assembled in a day. The prefab tiny home market in 2026 is producing options that would have been impossible at these price points 3 years ago. Better insulation, better structural systems, better design, and 7 of them are trending harder than anything else in the alternative residential category right now. We found them, we researched the numbers, and we are covering every single one in this video. Stay until number 1, because that price will stop you cold. The prefab market moves fast, and most channels cannot keep up. Affordable Tiny Living can. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. We track what is actually being built and what it actually costs. The prefab tiny home market in 2026 is not the prefab tiny home market of 5 years ago. 5 years ago, prefab in the tiny home category largely meant a trailer-mounted box, a shipping container conversion, or an off-the-shelf cabin kit from a building supplies retailer. The design options were limited, the thermal performance was inconsistent, and the price-to-quality ratio was wide enough that most serious builders ended up building conventionally anyway. What changed is factory technology, supply chain maturity, and design investment. CNC cutting has made precise panel fabrication affordable at small batch sizes. Factory insulation systems have brought SIP panel performance into prefab products that previously used batt insulation in stick-framed panels. And design firms that used to work only at full-scale residential have moved into the tiny home prefab market, with products that look and perform at a level the category had not seen before. The result in 2026 is a prefab tiny home market where $58,000 to $165,000 buys something genuinely worth building. Something that performs thermally, lasts structurally, and looks designed rather than assembled from the nearest big box supplier's catalog. 7 products are trending harder than the rest right now, each one for a different reason. Each one representing a different position in the prefab tiny home market. Let us count them down. Number 7. The Flat Pack Studio Cube. Price: $38,000 to $52,000 delivered, unassembled. Floor area: 160 to 200 square feet. The most affordable serious prefab on this list, and the one designed for the widest range of applications. A studio sleeping and living space for a backyard ADU. A home office detached from the primary dwelling. A remote work retreat on a rural lot. The panels ship flat on a single pallet load. Assembly by 2 people over 2 days, using the supplied hardware and the step-by-step manual. No crane required. No specialist contractor required. SIP panel construction standard across all walls and roof. R22, effective thermal performance as standard. A full-width sliding glass door on the primary face. 1 operable window on the rear face for cross-ventilation. A mini-split sleeve, pre-cut in the wall panel. This is the entry-level prefab that the tiny home market has needed for a decade. Simple, performant, affordable. Assembly by the owner. Finished with mechanical connection and interior fit-out. All-in cost: $65,000 to $90,000. Number 7, because it is the starting point. The prefab that proves the concept at the most accessible price on the list. Number 6, the curved roof forest cabin. Price: $62,000 to $78,000, delivered and assembled. Floor area: 280 square feet. The curved barrel vault roof is the distinguishing feature of this prefab, and the reason it is trending in 2026. The roof curve is achieved through factory-formed steel purlins, pre-bent to the vault profile, shipped as a self-erecting structural system. The resulting interior ceiling follows the curve from wall plate height at the perimeter to the vault apex, giving the 280 square foot single-room interior a spatial quality that its footprint does not suggest. full glazing on both gable ends. The forest views frame the building from the moment you approach and from every position inside it. The timber cladding on the curved side walls weathers naturally, the building becoming more integrated with its forest setting over the first 2 to 3 years of occupancy. Designed specifically for remote off-grid sites, the standard specification includes a solar-ready electrical panel, a composting toilet rough-in, and a rainwater tank connection at the downpipe. The prefab assumes no grid connection and specifies accordingly. All-in off-grid finish cost, $100,000 to $130,000. Number 6. Because the curved roof interior at this price is genuinely remarkable. Very few prefabs at this floor area deliver this level of spatial quality. Number 5. The Modular Studio Plus Bedroom. Price, $78,000 to $96,000 for the 2-module system delivered and assembled. Floor area, 320 square feet across 2 connected modules. The 2-module system is the prefab market's answer to the acoustic separation problem that single-volume tiny homes cannot solve. The studio module contains the kitchen, dining, and living functions. The bedroom module contains the sleeping and private functions. A short glazed link connects them and creates a covered outdoor zone between the modules that functions as the primary transition space of the compound. Both modules are factory finished to completion before delivery. Walls, ceiling, floor, all internal surfaces complete. The site work is connection, mechanical hookup, and the link structure between the 2 modules. Move-in timeline from site delivery, 3 to 5 days. All-in finish cost, including mechanical and link structure, $115,000 to $150,000. Number 5. Because the 2-module system with a glazed link delivers genuine functional separation at a price point where most alternatives force you to choose between separation and affordability. Number 4. The Steel Frame Barndo Mini. Price, $48,000 to $65,000 for the shell kit delivered and assembled. Floor area, 400 square feet. The barndominium aesthetic at tiny home scale and kit home price. A steel C-section frame prefabricated in standard modules, erectable by a small crew in 2 days without a crane. Corrugated steel cladding on all walls and roof as standard. Oversized industrial windows on the primary elevation. The Barndo Mini is the prefab for the builder who wants the barndominium look and the industrial material honesty without the full barndominium build timeline and cost. The steel frame delivers the exposed structural character. The corrugated cladding delivers the agricultural vernacular. The large windows deliver the drama. Interior finish is the buyer's responsibility, and is where the Barndo Mini's character is determined. Raw concrete floor and exposed steel studs for the industrial purist. Polished concrete and bespoke joinery for the luxury specification. Shell only all-in, including foundation and mechanical connection. $90,000 to $130,000 depending on interior finish level. Number 4. Because the barndominium market is enormous, and the Barndo Mini is the prefab product that puts that aesthetic within reach of a budget that the full barndominium market consistently exceeds. Number 3. The high-performance passive panel home. Price, $92,000 to $118,000 delivered and assembled. Floor area, 380 square feet. The only prefab on this list designed and built to passive house standard airtightness and thermal performance as a factory default rather than as an upgrade option. Every wall, floor, and roof panel is a 6.5-inch EPS core SIP panel, achieving R22 to R25 effective performance. All panel junctions are factory taped on the interior face before delivery, eliminating the site air sealing variables that compromise the performance of most SIP shell builds. The airtightness test result on the standard assembled configuration: 0.6 air changes per hour at 50 pascals. This is below the passive house standard of 0.6 ACH50. It is achieved as a factory default without any additional site air sealing work beyond the pre-taped panel junctions. A heat recovery ventilator is supplied with the kit as standard. Passive house performance requires controlled ventilation, and the manufacturer correctly includes the HRV as part of the building system, rather than leaving it as an afterthought. $145,000 to $185,000. Number 3. Because passive house performance at factory standard, in a 380 square foot prefab, is something that did not exist at this price point before 2025. The specification has moved faster than most of the market knows. Number 2. The two-story panelized townhouse. Price: $118,000 to $145,000 for the panelized shell system delivered and assembled. Floor area: 560 square feet across 2 full stories. The only two-story option on this list, and the most relevant prefab for the urban infill market in 2026. A panelized timber frame system pre-cut for a narrow rectangular footprint of 14 to 16 feet wide by 20 feet deep, designed to fit the urban lot widths that the tiny home and affordable housing markets are increasingly targeting as conventional residential development ignores them. The panel system is engineered for two-story lateral stability on a narrow footprint, with structural diaphragm panels specified at the critical shear wall positions on the narrow elevation. Assembly by a 4-person crew over 3 to 4 days. No crane required for the wall panels. A small telescoping forklift handles the upper floor panels and roof panels. Upper floor accessed by a single-run open tread stair included in the kit supply. 2 bedrooms on the upper floor. Kitchen, dining, and living on the ground floor. Full bathroom on each floor. The balcony on the primary bedroom elevation. A 36-inch deep cantilevered deck off the upper-level primary bedroom, factory detailed with a steel rail and a weatherproof deckboard surface. The detail that makes the two-story panelized townhouse look like a designed building rather than an assembled kit. All-in finished cost, including mechanical and interior fit-out, $185,000 to $255,000. Number 2. Because the urban infill two-story market is the most underserved segment in the entire tiny home prefab category, and this product addresses it directly. Number 1. The folding steel micro home. Price: $34,000 to $48,000. Delivered in a single truck. Installed in 4 hours by 2 people. No site preparation required beyond a level gravel pad. Floor area: 140 to 180 square feet unfolded. This is the home that should not be possible at this price. A steel monocoque structure laser cut and precision formed at the factory. The walls, floor, and roof are all integrated structural elements of the same steel shell. In transport configuration, the home folds flat to a package, 8 feet wide, 20 feet long, and 18 inches tall. A standard flatbed truck carries it to any site accessible by road. On-site, the structure unfolds in a sequence engineered for 2-person assembly without specialist skills. The floor panels lock into position first. The wall panels rise and lock to the floor. The roof panels fold up and lock to the walls. The entire unfolding sequence takes 3 to 4 hours from truck arrival to complete standing structure. Factory-applied spray foam insulation on the interior faces of all panels before the home is folded for delivery. R20 Effective Performance Standard. Windows and door frames factory-fitted in the panels before folding. The home arrives insulated, framed, and glazed. The only site work is leveling the ground pad and connecting electrical and plumbing. At $34,000 to $48,000 for the folded steel home, including delivery to most U.S. locations, this is the most affordable serious prefab product in the alternative residential category in 2026. All-in finished cost, including a simple gravel pad, electrical hookup, composting toilet, and a compact kitchenette module, $58,000 to $82,000. That is the number from the hook, and it is real. Number one, because nothing else in the tiny prefab market in 2026 delivers a factory-insulated, factory-glazed, road-legal, site-installable home for under $50,000 in the delivered kit price. 7 products. 7 different answers to the same question. What is the right prefab tiny home for 2026? The answer depends entirely on your site, your budget, and your daily life. So here is the question I want answered in the comments right now. Which of these 7 would you build? And is there a prefab tiny home trending in 2026 that deserved a place on this list but did not make it? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this list gave you a starting point for your prefab tiny home search in 2026, share it with everyone in your circle who is currently trying to figure out what to build and how much it will cost. The market is better than most people know. Now you know. Subscribe to Affordable Tiny Living so you are here when the 2027 version of this list lands. Because this market is moving fast, and we will be tracking every product that earns a place on it. I am your host on Affordable Tiny Living. See you in the next one.